Understanding Don't Mention It, a friendly phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases. Today, we're diving into a common and friendly expression, don't mention it. This phrase is often heard in conversations, but what does it really mean and how do you use it? Let's find out together. Don't mention it is a phrase used in English as a polite response. It's often said after someone thanks you for something. Essentially, this phrase means, "You're welcome," or "It was no big deal." It's a humble way of telling someone that what you did was not a big inconvenience, and you were happy to help or offer something. You can use "don't mention it" in various social situations. For example, when someone thanks you for holding the door, after helping a friend with a small task, in a professional setting, after assisting a colleague. Remember, it's used when the help or service provided is modest and you want to express that it was not troublesome for you. In English-speaking cultures, using phrases like "don't mention it" shows politeness and humility. It's a way of downplaying one's efforts to avoid seeming boastful. However, the usage might vary based on the country and cultural context. In some places, people might prefer a simple, "You're welcome." There are several other ways to express the same sentiment. Some of these include, "No problem," "It was nothing," "Happy to help," "Anytime." Feel free to use these alternatives to add variety to your conversations. And that's all on the phrase, "Don't mention it." We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your English language journey. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances that make it special. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use "don't mention it" in your daily conversations. See you in our next video.